Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Today's video is about exploring anime styles with Midjourney. Whether you are an anime newbie or an avid fan, this video is for you. We are about to embark on a fantastic journey into the world of anime art, using the incredible capabilities of Midjourney AI. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant and captivating realm of anime. Understanding anime styles. Anime is a captivating style of cartoon art that originated in Japan. Think of it as a Disney or Pixar with a unique and colorful twist. Anime characters have big, expressive eyes filled with shining highlights, and their hairstyles are often gravity-defying and come in a spectrum of colors. The attention to detail is astonishing, from everyday school uniforms to extraordinary battle armor. Settings in anime range from realistic Japanese cities to fantastical magical kingdoms, imbuing the images with dynamic energy. The use of colors and lighting sets the mood, making anime a visually striking art form. Creating anime characters with Midjourney. With Midjourney AI, you don't need to be an anime expert to create incredible anime style art. You can effortlessly capture the essence of anime characters with the powerful Niji tool. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it step by step. Now it's time to unleash your creativity and create captivating anime characters using Midjourney AI. You might already be familiar with Midjourney's Niji tool, designed specifically for anime art, but here's a secret. You can also use Niji specialized anime styles in Midjourney. Let's dive in and explore this incredible feature. Unlocking specialized anime styles. Now, let's dive deeper into anime styling with Midjourney's Niji 5 version. By default, Midjourney V5.1 offers an array of an anime style, but there's more to discover. Did you know you can use specialized anime styles in Midjourney? These style parameters will transform your images into different anime aesthetics, each with its own charm. Whether you prefer the realistic and 3D feel of Expressive Style, or the whimsical and charming look of Cute Style, there's something for everyone. And don't forget the breathtaking Scenic Style that brings characters and landscapes to life. Feel free to explore the original style or customize the level of anime style with the stylized parameter. To access specialized anime styles, simply type /settings and switch to Niji 5. This opens up a whole new world of captivating anime aesthetics. Anime style isn't just limited to one look. It encompasses a variety of unique styles. Let's take a look at unveiling specialized anime styles. Expressive Style. For a much more realistic and 3D feel, embrace the expressive style. Your characters will come to life with warmth and rich colors. If you're new to anime or prefer a touch of Western aesthetic, this style might be perfect for you. Add --style expressive to your prompt to unlock this marvelous look. Cute Style. Cute Style is all about whimsy and charm. It features 2D drawings with light, flat shading and a lot of negative space, resulting in soothing, decorative details. You'll fall in love with the simplicity and endearing characters. Want to try it? Just type --style cute at the end of your prompt. Scenic Style. Get ready for an anime experience straight out of the movies with Scenic Style. This style goes beyond just characters. It generates breathtaking backgrounds and seamlessly integrates your characters into fantastical landscapes. Your scenes will be filled with depth, emotion, and impact. To unlock this stunning style, add --style scenic to your prompt. But that's not all. You can customize the level of anime style with the stylized parameter. By default, it is set at 100, but you can go as high as 1000 to amplify those anime vibes. Take your anime art to the next level by adding specific anime art terms to your prompts, from chibi characters to historical anime or manga style art. There's a world of creativity to explore. Experiment and let your imagination soar. Congratulations! You have unlocked mesmerizing world of specialized anime styles with Midjourney AI. Don't hesitate to try out different styles and create your own unique anime art. Share your favorite anime style prompts with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe for more creative adventures. Let's keep making amazing anime art together. Thank you for joining us on this incredible anime journey. Let's keep making amazing art together.